welcome you watching The Health Site and I am Sakshi. Now you can see these two bowls in front of me which can be my lunch option or dinner options. So in this bowl I am having fried rice which has a lot of spices in it, refined oil, and here I have pomegranate which is anar. Now if I eat this pomegranate bowl for my lunch or dinner, this is not going to fill my stomach for a longer period of time. But if I eat this white rice, this is of course going to keep my stomach full for a longer period of time. So when we are on our weight loss journey, of course we want to eat something super healthy which is going to suffice our hunger, which is going to keep our stomach full for a longer period of time. So in this video we are going to tell you a healthy salad recipe which is going to keep your stomach full for a long time. Let's get started with the recipe.
For mango cucumber salad, you need 2 medium cucumbers cut into dices, 1 ripe medium mango cut into dices, 1/4 cup chopped coriander, 4 teaspoons light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon grated sweet lime zest, 2 tablespoons sweet lime juice, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 2 teaspoon light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon vinegar, and 1/4 spoon crushed red pepper. Now whisk soy sauce to taste, sweet lime zest, sweet lime juice, oil, brown sugar, vinegar and crushed red pepper in a large bowl until they combine properly. Add cucumber, mango and coriander and gently toss to coat them with the mix. Now your mango cucumber salad is all ready. Now serve it with garnished lime zest.
So don't forget to try this salad recipe at home and don't forget to log into our website which is known as TheHealthSite.com.